Warning, this video contains a before and after sequence. The first part shows my initial 3D printed design, and the second part showcases the new and improved version. If you're ready to see the evolution, let's dive in. That was the beginning. We've leveled up. Now introducing the new design for Neptune Apex level sensor holders. I took matters into my own hands, 3D printer baby. First design worked. Then I tackled mounting auto top-off sensors on a 1.5-inch PVC pipe. Challenge accepted. New sensor holders fit like a glove on 1.5-inch pipe. Because when Neptune ain't cutting it, you gotta get creative. Thanks for checking it out. Would love to hear if you'd use this in your setup. Let me know.